when Allah will give you, you make istighfar, Allah will give you children, Allah will make rain come out here, and He will give you mal and aulad, and also He will give you Jannah. Pakistan is the second country in the world which is not like any other country. And normally a country is Iraq for Iraqis, and this country for that, and this country for that. But Pakistan was not for any people. Actually, it was made for La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. So it is a country based on Islam. And Medina was also based on the same principle, that people who could not live in Makkah, they were allowed to migrate to Medina and make a state there, and finally the state was established as a Muslim state. So Pakistan, people have got a lot of expectations from Pakistan. However, the present situation is that everyone is thinking about himself individually. The leaders are thinking about themselves, and people are thinking about themselves. But if they continue like this, then a bigger problem is going to come, as it came to Spain, as it came to Samarkand, as it came to Iraq and elsewhere. We know we have ruled more than 700 years in Spain, but all the people were slaughtered and killed and converted. And so was in Samarkand and Bukhara, and Iraq was very recent happening that so many people were killed. The advice to Muslims living in Japan especially, of course elsewhere also, is that you present a model of yourself as a good Muslim by your way of life, if you are employee, to your employer you show that such a good Muslim is a good and he is honest. If you are employer, then do like that, and if you are making trade, then you have to show your good relationship. He then gave an example of one journalist who was caught by Taliban during the Afghan war, and she was made to stay held up in custody for 4 months. And when she was released, then she came out and became Muslim, and she said, it was not because of any force or anything. She said, I stayed there 4 months. They were young, I was young, but there was no one who would see towards my face. If they see me, they will turn the other side instead of seeing at me or taking advantage of me. So these are the situations. This is the condition that won her heart, and she became a Muslim. Similarly, the advice for all of us to create such conditions that people like us and like Islam, inshallah. Now, if there are any questions, you are welcome, inshallah. अगर कोई सवाल हो तो आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं.